All right, over here setting up.
I got needle nose going on.
Jay from Jersey just got here. Yo, Jay. You just walked. Something happy to see you in the truck, kid.
Happy to see you, kid. Real happy.
Sigh.
Yeah, I figured this
There you go, brother.
was a better way.
Seneca Fez there, Jay.
It's good.
Your
Jersey
first
Nick
primal.
didn't come with me today either, so I
Your
have
first-
some room.
Your first primal, right?
Yeah. Take a look. Let me bring it over by my car.
Seneca Fez. Jersey Jay. Congrats on your first primal
One more out of the garage.
dragster. Really? You got another one to the list. Now my man's got a huge collection, and it just got happier to see him.
Primal. And we'll probably, I guess we'll do like a sportsman class first.
Okay,
Probably
cool.
Maybe
Good.
go extreme.
Nice. Nice. It's gonna be one hell of a year for the sportsman class.
This is what I wanted right here.
Yeah, that thing is sweet. Yeah, the pump is in here in one of these boxes.
Oh, it actually comes with the pump, right?
Yeah, it comes with everything, bro. It's no joke, and there's a filter in here too.
Nice. Yeah.
So
This is my.
you could filter.
One, so now I got a real one.
Yeah, you could filter your own fuel. I don't run fuel filters on my car. I mean, on my race cars, but you have one here. Correct.
And then just suck it
Done.
in,
Yeah.
and then you know it's
Because these fuel tanks are sealed. They're not like the off-road ones that we have to completely remove the lid. You know, they're sealed. You're not gonna get shit in them. Just don't get garbage in your tank.
in the gas tank itself.
Look at that
right?
thing. Look at
Yeah, it's not too heavy actually. Yeah.
It's not, right? Look now, Jay knows. Now, how's that?
Yeah, no, that's.
It's unbelievable.
I mean, it will get a little heavier with the stuff, but
Yeah.
I would thought it was more heavy.
Yeah, and you can still lighten it more if you want. But some guys don't handle anymore.
Like that.
Bring that out in the sun. Look at that. Look at that ass in the sun glistening. Look at that thing.
It's nice.
Now you can see though.
And so right now
It
got
comes with a locker,
dip,
yeah.
So I'll change that out. How are these fuel tanks? Good.
They're good. Yeah, I'm using
Like
them
the way it
on
is?
both. But some guys. Oh shit! This might be the bigger fuel tubes. You know, I have to ask Dan. So the first ones, they came with these small lines.
Okay.
Dude, I think those are the bigger ones. Oh my god, it's upgraded already. I think those are the bigger tubes already, bro. You don't have to do shit.
All right.
Because the first ones, they were tiny. They worked, but sometimes they would slip out. The fuel lines, it was that small.
Yeah.
But I think he changed that.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I got to talk to Dan about that.
Yeah,
But
I
dude,
might just do
I'm
another-
telling you
the
from
full
what I'm
force one,
seeing,
too.
from what I'm seeing right now,
They look bigger.
they are bigger than the first ones, bro. Yep,
Okay.
yep, without a doubt.
Yeah, I remember seeing
They
that
are.
video you and
Yeah.
Lou doing that job.
Yeah. Oh man, so you
Oh, and they already got Velcro now. On
yeah,
there.
yeah. I mean, no, they came with them. Mine,
Is that originally like that?
mine had it. Yeah,
Oh, okay. Oh, and the screws. Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't use screws on mine. I just used the Velcro. But now I'm using the screws because everything is mangled. You know. But all right, Jay.
Yeah.
I don't want to slow you down. We gotta.
Yeah.
You listen.
Thanks for bringing that.
Congratulations to you with your Primal Dragster, bro.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at this guy. Sigh. Yo, Dale, what do you think?
Good, man.
Yo, that shit, you were shocked, right? How light that thing is, right?
Yeah, the light. I was surprised definitely about that. How light.
Yo, come with that fuel tank. Come with a lot of stuff, man. That's a roller. Come with
Get rid of my.
come with servos too. Come with servos. It come with the fuel line too to hook up to the side.
Yeah, you can't beat it. Especially if you're gonna drag race and you
Yeah,
want to do a lot of
yeah.
work to the bod, just put an engine.
HPI Kevin got one just like that. He just slapped a twin in that shit.
Is his called the
Mellow did.
Or no?
Is he Hitman?
HPI King, I think.
Oh, okay.
HPI King or something. Oh, I think it is Hitman now. He got a nice,
The twin
he got a nice
gears
body.
plates,
Yep,
yeah,
yep.
yeah.